So kami po ay natutuwa at muli kayo nakasama namin. Kumbaga hindi ganun kaganda ang panahon. But I know na nakahanda ang ating mga gravelers.
Sabi nga ay ang atin yung Attack Unrestricted Monsoon. From the word monsoon. Kumbaga, di ba? Habagat or tag-ulan.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, masaya. As you can see, marumi siya, pero it's a load of fun. Masaya siya. Enjoy. Tsaka it will really test your endurance and your skill. First time, pero at least kinaya. Pero sobrang ganda ng ruta. Ayan, sarap. Nadaanan ng ulan. So, yun naging extra challenge. Wala ring pahinga.
So, I'm very happy with the results. Ang saya nung route, challenging, nakakakaba, pero worth it. Ang sarap. Uulit-ulit, definitely.
This was my first gravel race, actually, and it was absolutely incredible. What a challenging, beautiful course with mud and clay and rocks and gravel and water and rivers and rain and sun, everything. It was just a perfect race, and I had a great time, and I can't wait to come back next year and do the longer one.
My God, you got the best gravel heaven. This is gravel heaven over here. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Attack Unrestricted. Sobrang okay nitong race na to. Kudos to the organizer of Attack Unrestricted. Thank you for giving us a hell of a race.
So a message for the organizers, keep doing it. Keep doing more gravel races. This was brilliant. You did such a great job. All of the merchandise, the baseball caps and the t-shirt and all of the stuff you provided is just excellent quality. And yeah, it's great to be part of such a well-organized and fantastic race.
Sobrang solid. Salamat Unrestricted sa kakaibang experience. Grabe yung ruta. Solid. Marumi na masaya.
Masaya po na nakatapos.
Mukhang mauulit.
Ang ganda ng view. Very challenging. Yung gravel. Ang daming potholes, siguro 1/4 na ng mga gulong namin. Talagang pahirapan.
Sa organizer, thank you so much. Maganda and super organized siya.
Awesome event.
I'm 51. If I can do it, everyone can do it. So that's my message to everyone.
Ang solid ng ruta. Meron na palang buwan dito.
Thank you very much sa mga sumali ngayong Unrestricted Monsoon. Maraming salamat sa suporta nyo, and see you next year sa February ulit. Thank you very much.